Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you a bit of an update on, well, what's going on. First and foremost, as you can see, I'm having a bit of a clear out. Yes, the Crazy Baker kitchen is being taken apart and we're going to have something new. Well, you never know. First and foremost, everything which was in the kitchen is now in this room over here. So as you can see, it makes a nice looking kitchen. Nothing's wired in, but it's there. Now, starting from a couple of days ago, I posted a little thing on to YouTube just to show you some pictures. And this is me taking down the wall and messing around like you do. I'm not going to get contractors in. What's the point? You know, I find it much easier to do it myself. So moving on swiftly, over there is going to be this new kitchen. Originally we had a big wall across here. Now that's been pulled down. It separated it. So I had the little kitchen, and basically this room that you can see is actually the dining area. And without Mrs. Crazy Baker knowing it, but I'm turning it into a YouTube studio for me. I don't know if I'm going to get away with that, but who cares? Now, if you want to see more updates on what's going on here, pop across to my Crazy Baker Unleashed channel. That's where most of the updates are going to be done, because I'm trying to keep this channel now just for baking. So if it's related to baking, if I'm using an oven or I've got an oven in to demonstrate or something like that, it's going to be on this channel. If it's cars and I'm going out for a walk and I'm having a chat, it's on the other channel. So the link is up there, or it could be up there, whichever the case may be, and also at the end of the video. If you want to know more about what's going on, pop over to the Crazy Baker Unleashed channel, subscribe if you want to, and for your video recipes, this is the channel to be. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!